number of different ways to select and configure media favorites in your new Cayenne. To begin, select Media. Then you will find a favorite. In this case, we'll go to SiriusXM, List, and scroll to find your favorite SiriusXM station. Select the favorite star, click out to go back. Now let's select another favorite from a different media source. In this case, we'll use online radio. Go to List and select an online radio station by selecting the star. Click out to go back. Now you may be asking yourself, how do I access my favorites? Select the three dots and scroll down until you find the Favorites tab. Selecting it will move it into your main view. Now, if you would like to cycle through your favorites, select the next button. If you would like to see them in a list form, select the List button. There is another way to add a favorite. Select Add Favorite. You can search for your station via a word search, and you can select the line. Now select Media Favorites. Here you can see the line you have selected has been added. Now if you would like to delete a favorite, you just swipe to the left. If you would like to cycle through favorites, you can do so using this control. If you would like to change the location of your favorites in your main view, hold down the icon and select Edit. Find the Favorites tab and select the Move button. Drag and drop to the desired location and select Confirm. You have now configured your media favorites in your new Cayenne.